Now the Roadtrek 190, one of the best built motorhome vans ever with the worst porch light. You lost a plastic cover, you broke it, can't find them online, and you want to make one? You're in luck. So take a look in your recycling bin, see if you find any of these. Plastic lid, that might be too hard. Plastic bottle, plastic container, black marker, pair of scissors. I think this guy. Now you're just gonna head to the light, put the plastic over the light, and then using your marker, just trace it out and then cut it out with the scissors. And then you should end up with something looking like this. And it should fit in something like that. Although it fits and it covers, it's not gonna stay, so we're gonna need some 3M double-sided tape. So let's get it looking better and secured. Number one, sandpaper. We're gonna take a roll of tape, peel off the piece here, roll it up into a little circle, and then we are gonna take our plastic piece and stick it onto there. Then we're gonna stick it onto a surface that we don't mind scratching. And just taking some rough sandpaper, and there we go. Now that we got the piece of plastic manually frosted, nice, we're gonna put that sanded side facing in, and it's gonna give a little softer flow of light there. Now what we're gonna wanna do is get some double-sided tape, placing it at the bottom and on the top, and that's what's gonna hold in our light cover. But before we do that, I think it's time to make the inside of this a little more shiny. Now what you should do is get a Dremel and some metal polish and buff the interior here till it has a nice shine to it. But what we're gonna do is put some reflective tape in here and have the same effect. So we're gonna take out our bulb, give this a quick cleaning, and get out our tape. So here you can see how dull it is inside there. Just gonna use a little Windex. Now, even with it clean, it still requires a lot of buffing in a really awkward small space here. So we're gonna do this the efficient way and go cut some tape up. So here we have our shiny tape. We're gonna cut ourselves out a nice fresh piece here. We'll go see how it fits. So to make this a lot easier on yourself, be sure just to peel the beginning off and leave the protective cover on the rest there. That way you can start it at the top and it won't be getting stuck everywhere on the bottom while you're trying to fit it. All right, here we go. Get that top fitted first. Then from behind here, you can grab that protective layer and just a little at a time, get it in position, little at a time. Oh, perfect. Flatten it out as much as you can in there. And now we have a much more reflective surface for that light to come off of. No buffing required. Nice. And now we're gonna reinsert our light bulb. Before we put our frosted lens in, we're gonna need some of this, some 3M double-sided tape. We're gonna place this just on the bottom lip here and a little piece at the top there. Go. All right, we're gonna put another piece right in the top here. This one I'm gonna cut to length, and then I'm also gonna cut it in half. And that way we won't have too much excess. So you're gonna wanna have it started like that before applying it to that top edge. Then we're just gonna line it up, and then pressing on, and then peeling off that protective layer. Now we have our two sticky double-sided surfaces ready. We're gonna take our lens here, and we're gonna make sure that the sanded side is facing in, lining it up, and pushing that into position. Is this gonna last forever? Nope. Does it look perfect? Not really. Good enough? Good enough. And lastly, I think I'm gonna place a little piece of this tape just across the top here for a little extra support and to help prevent water from getting in there. And there we go. Happy with that. Yeah, nice. And there you have it. How to build a cover for your Roadtrek 190 porch light in under 5 minutes. I hope this helped you guys out, inspired you to do the same. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Whoa, wait 1 second. This is what the light looks like at night. You can see how much light it puts out. If you want more light on your Roadtrek 190, look at the link in the description below and I'll show you how to do this. LED lights on your porch and interior. We'll see you in the next one.